Guys, it's your boy Nate, aka Nate, back again with another video, and today we're looking at the new cards, the 3 new cards added, and let me type, we have an ad on here, so today are here with a ad. Okay, so again, like I said, we're here with the admin of Pembroke Pines. Oh my gosh, boys, this is awesome. So today we're checking out the 3 new cards added to the game. What's the first one? Oh wow. Sounds nice, guys. Let's get driving this thing, guys. Oh snap! Oh gosh, let me turn. Oopsies. Okay, you should be good. You should be good. Trying now. Okay, there you go. You're good. I got you. Woo! Okay, we're gonna cheat a little bit. Woo! It drives pretty good. Like the handling is pretty good. Yeah, it is 13. It's like 13 years old. It's old. It is like really old. Let's see top speed. Come on, top speed. Come on. Oh wow. Oh no. Oh damn, that Dang, they're gonna add another Mercedes. In the next update, I'm guessing. Oh, no, it's in the next vehicle. Oh, okay. Okay, let's show off the next vehicle. Next vehicle we have is the 2015 S550. So this is the newer version. This is the newer version. This is the newer version. Let me get let me see if you can hear the sound. This thing is pretty good. Like now this is one of my favorite ones. Price wise, it is 68,000. So again, obviously the newer Mercedes are going to be more expensive. This is a given. They're going to be a lot more expensive. Yeah, we have a Kia next, guys, but this thing is awesome. Let's see what the top speed is. So what I love about real quick, I love how the developers and stuff added the detail in this thing. Look at the detail in the grill and everything. The developers outdid themselves. Like they really did. Like, oops, let's turn around. Let's do top speed run again. Seriously, guys, the developers really outdid themselves in this video. I mean, sorry, in this model. It looks so good, and it feels so good. Like, it feels like a really good sporty vehicle. Power, good for, you know, doing stand stuff, top speed. So top speed is not bad. It got to like 160 something. Not bad. Oh snap! Not bad at all. Like, that is, wow. That's not bad. This thing is, again, the best brand in this game is not in real life. In the game is Mercedes. I just hope the developers add a you know, some more trucks, like a Ram, Dodge Ram. Okay, so the last vehicle we're going to show off is the Kia. This is the Kia 2018 Kia Optima. So this is the 2018 Kia Optima. Dirt is cheap. This is a regular vehicle. The first two vehicles I showed you guys in this video so thus far are indeed luxury. So if you don't have the luxury pass, can't get one. Well, you can't own one. You can drive one. Yeah, you can call it a brand new one. They do look the same. Now, what's great about this? Now, this is a regular vehicle, so you do not need a game pass for this. I like the moonroof. I really like the moonroof. Oh, dang it! Interior's not bad. Is this a hybrid? Well, this is a admin. Is this a hybrid? Cause this horsepower is like, it's not. Okay, this. Okay, the tires are really thin. I hope the tires, like the tire width is really thin. It does drive, like he said. It drives average, I would say. But it's pretty good. So, again, I love these new cars, guys. I'm sorry if I'm talking. It's 1:30. It's 1:30 a.m. So I'm starting to get a little tired. But I'm doing this video for you guys. I have to do this. This is awesome. And this thing doesn't drive bad. Like the admin says, Real says, it drives average. This is, if you guys are looking for an average, nice car, again, this is a regular vehicle. This is a non-Game Pass vehicle. But those of you who are saying that the developers should add more regular vehicles, you got your wish. All right, you got your wish. You got your wish. So don't worry. Personally, my favorite of the new cars we got is the 2007 S550. I just love the taillights of the older S550. I love it. I think they look great. Uh-oh. What happened? Alright, so that's pretty much the video. So, those are oopsies. So those are the 3 new cars, guys. They are amazing. Big thanks. So I want to give a big thank you to the developers of working on this game. Despite everything, just keep working hard. Please subscribe to the channel. Please leave a like. Helps promote it to more of my subscribers and viewers. And please comment, let me know what you thought. This is a quick video to show off the 3 new cars. I hope you guys like them. The 2007 S550 is my personal favorite of the 3. Let me know what your favorite is down in the comment down below, and I'll see all of you guys in the video. Peace, guys.